Today, we will be installing our wooden gate combo kit. You will need the following tools to complete today's project. Start by aligning the top hinge to your gate. Mark all 4 holes with a pencil while making sure the knuckle of the hinge is flush with the edge. Use a 5/32" drill bit to pre-drill the marked holes, making sure not to drill all the way through the gate. Use the T25 bit and the provided hardware to secure the hinge to the gate. Repeat these steps for the second hinge. Place down some scrap wood to create a resting point for your gate. Place the gate onto the scrap wood and make sure you are happy with the bottom gap. Before you start to install the gate, make sure your gate is level. Optionally, you can also use clamps to keep the gate in place before continuing. Mark the 4 holes on the fence post. Pre-drill the 4 marked holes with a 5/32" drill bit, making sure not to drill all the way through your post. Use a T25 bit and the provided hardware to secure the hinge to the post. Repeat these steps to secure the bottom hinge to the post. To attach the latch, start by placing the gravity plate along the outside edge of the gate at your desired height. Then mark all 4 holes with a pencil. Use a 1/8" drill bit to pre-drill your 4 pencil marks, making sure not to drill through your gate. Line up the gravity plate with your pre-drill holes and use a Phillips bit and the provided hardware to secure the first 2 screws. Use a T25 bit to secure the remaining top screw. Feed the finger through the gravity plate and attach it with the final screw. Attach the catch to the finger and press it against your post. Mark the 4 holes with a pencil. Pre-drill the 4 holes using a 1/8" drill bit, making sure not to drill through your post. Using a T25 bit, secure the latch to your post using the provided hardware. Lift the lever and mark where the hole meets the post or slightly higher. Using a 1/2" drill bit, drill through your post until you see the tip of the bit starting to come through the other side. Back drill the hole from the other side for a cleaner looking hole and a more professional result. Disconnect the ring from the cable and feed it through the hole. Move to the other side of the gate and reattach the ring on the cable. Place the handle at a comfortable height and mark the 4 holes. Pre-drill all 4 holes using an 1/8" drill bit, making sure not to drill all the way through your gate frame. Use a T25 bit and the provided hardware to secure your handle. Congratulations! You have successfully installed our wooden gate combo kit. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.